Wagwan, these are the digital explainers part 1. We are bring to you by africanedtech.com. It's for the beginners them and you can call me Mimi Digital. What I want to point out is this a part 1 of 5 video. And in this video, we're going to look on all of the basics. So up on the screen, we have some questions you have where maybe you want to ask and maybe you want to discover the answers too by the time you watch through the video them. By the end of this video, you have to feel confident about where to start. So, when we are look upon the basics of tech, we have to start with common terms. You hear people talk about software, you hear people talk about hardware. You have visible and invisible part of both of them. Then you hear people talk about the front end and the back end. What I want to point out is both the hardware and software areas are visible and invisible. So what you can see and what you can't see is a mixture of both hardware and software. The main thing are what you interact directly with as an end user. Anything we directly interact with as an end user, name software interface or the user interface. When it comes to the front end and the back end, this is where we want to talk more about operating systems. And when we're talking about operating systems, we are talking about anything you interact with directly as an end user through the OS and the front end. And that can create by coding and non-coding experts. So this gives the opportunity for you to find your role, find a new job or move in a tech. Because you don't have to be engineer for work in a tech. Because you might involve in the front end. Then the engineer them will find roles in the back end. The engineers then create the back end, something you wouldn't generally interact with directly as an end user. Your operating system for your front end and your back end will work together. Will usually be Android, iOS or Windows. The one thing I want to encourage you to do and make note of where you want to do next. Just write out 1 or 2 things you never know before you watch this video and make a decision 1x for you. Ask yourself 1x. Here, I for just forget you to think about what you want to do. You can screenshot, try the tech aptitude test on my website, but I encourage you to do something. Take a step to move you forward in your digital tech journey. Thank you for watching, and this is the end of part 1. Please click to watch the next video. Thank you.